So hello everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. If you want to make your Google Forms more visual with images or slide style sections, here's how to add them in just a few clicks. So firstly, open your Google Form and click the image icon from the toolbar on the right. Insert the image window and it will appear. You can upload an image from your computer, use Google Drive or Photos, and paste a URL or use Google search. Select your image and click Insert. You can also add an image title if needed. You can also place an image directly next to a question. Hover over the question and click on the image icon. Choose your image, then insert it. You can now use images to explain a question or provide visual instructions. If this helped you out, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.